we're about to meet the man himself. What about it?
Yes, it lights up.
Wait, what?
It lights up.
She just bought it just now.
He bought it for me as a Christmas
Hold
gift.
the bottom.
I got the bottom.
Give me some room.
Oh, okay, there it is. It's a button on the side right there.
Right here. Alright, I'll do report. Oh, you gotta pull the tag.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I thought it was like, I need it.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Is it just you?
Yes, it's just sweet.
Ready to see Mickey?
Yes.
I am. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you. Merry Christmas to you too.
We're gonna go meet the man himself, right, Denise?
Welcome everyone, right this way.
Hello.
Where can I put my things?
Just right over here, right next to the
Okay.
Hey, Mickey.
Thank you.
Here.
She is such a huge fan. I guess I'm a fan too. I guess. Oh. Well, yeah.
Came a long way from Vancouver.
360.
Wow.
Came a long way just to see Mickey.
You'll come right up over your feet.
Next to my husband, he's my love of my life.
Oh.
So don't have any. No, you have many, so it's okay. So it's okay if we have a picture, sir.
Please.
There we
Thank
go.
you.
You'll just stand right in front of them.
I know, I just don't know which side.
Oh yeah, in the middle.
Middle? Okay, I wasn't
There
sure.
we go.
Oh, I know it's the rope. I just didn't know which side. Like,
This is our family. Her, me, and my camera.
1, 2, 3. You didn't want your camera on the photo?
Well, sure.
Got it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mickey. You got a magical place here. I know.
Give you an air hug.
Air hug.
Love you, Mickey. As we say in French, je t'aime in French Canadian. Thanks again. Bye bye, Mickey.
Have a great one.
You too. Thanks again. Have a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Mickey.
Bye, guys.
Oh, I got my kisses. Okay, bye bye.
This is me here.
Yeah.
There you go. That was Mickey. Bye. Oh, hallway of Mickey. All right, stop there for a second and tell us, what do you think about seeing Mickey?
I got all choked up, but I was trying not to cry. Because I'm so full. I'm so happy. I don't know, because I want good pictures. That's why I'm just so happy.
That's good. Let's go have our good Christmas day.
Yeah, I will.